Start your year off right with this great meatless vegetable soup. I'm Brigetta, and this is Better with Brigetta. The ingredients you're going to need are extra virgin olive oil, black pepper, thyme, basil, zucchini, whipping cream, vegetable broth, carrots, garlic, salt, and an onion. All right, check this. Okay, we're here at the stove. I have my pot. I'm going to add oil. And now I'm going to add my onions. We're going to cook those for up to maybe 5 minutes to let them soften. Okay, garlic's going in. All right, next are zucchini, which are nicely chopped. And carrots. Now I didn't have 3 large, so I made do with some smaller carrots that I had. I added those in. Whoa, look at the color. Okay, so these are going to cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. All right, our next step is to add our vegetable broth. Okay. And our seasonings. Okay, we have thyme, basil, salt, and pepper. Now, knowing us, we're probably going to add more salt and pepper. This is just what's in the recipe. And I'm going to bring it back up to a boil, and then I'm going to let it simmer for about 20 minutes. Okay, all right, we're on to our next part. The vegetables are nice, soft, and tender. I'm going to put them into a different bowl because I'm going to use an immersion blender to break it apart into pieces. If you notice, I didn't trim the skin off the zucchini. I like it just like that. A cool gadget. Okay. So now you get the idea. So you don't have to turn it into mush. You just break it into smaller pieces. Okay, I've done the whole batch and we poured it back in the pot, and now I'm going to add the whipping cream. I just have regular whipping cream, but you can add heavy if you want. This is where the creamy part comes in. Mark and I are going to check it for salt and pepper. We'll see if we need more. See, I like seeing the flakes of the vegetables. Creamy zucchini and carrot soup.
That's what we're making today.
That's it.
Or
now we're going to eat it.
She made it. I'm going to eat it.
Yes. And it looks delicious. I love it.
So no meat in this.
No meat. We're going to have a side of crusty bread with it.
That's good.
Yep.
Should we dig in and give it a try?
Absolutely. We had to let it cool down a little bit. It was hot.
Very nice.
Oh, I like it.
Very delicate. Just the right amount of creaminess. Now it's a little thin. You said
you could thicken it with cornstarch and water, make a slurry, and add it to the soup, but I'm not sure it needs it. First I thought it did. Now I don't think so.
Will it thicken up tomorrow when you reheat it?
Maybe. It depends.
But
It depends how much liquid was in your zucchini.
You could always add the cornstarch later?
Right.
Question
You could
mark.
add that later.
Okay.
When you reheat the soup if you want. So we have crusty bread to go with our soup. And we could add butter to our crusty bread.
Ooh, speaking of butter, would you guys like to see what I got Bridgetta for her Christmas gift? Not her only gift, mind you.
Because everybody needs a butter ornament. We do like butter around here, so that's a fact.
Well, if you want to know where you could get one of these, I'm sure you could buy it on Amazon, but I picked it up at the local Cracker Barrel.
Oh, Cracker Barrel, yeah.
I was very proud of myself. I bought this thing a year ago today in anticipation of Christmas and shopping early, something I like to do. So I'll give that back to you. You can put it back on the tree.
Yep, we'll put it back on the tree. Well, we hope you like this video. The soup is delicious. You need to make it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Share this with your friends and family. And we'll see you next time in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.
All right, I want some bread. Mine.
Okay, you want some butter with your bread?
No.
No? You might.
Maybe.
Yeah. Of course, get the notifications out too. So you'll be alerted when my next video comes out.